Hello, good evening. I am here to present CS50W Capstone project titled Lumenapp. Lumenapp is a real estate management Django app designed to streamline the administration and operations of real estate projects, offering a comprehensive solution for managing users, projects, prototypes, subscriptions, and financial details. This app ensures efficiency and transparency and ease of use for both administrators and users. Here are detailed features and descriptions of key components. First of all, the model has 6 models. First is the user category, the user model, the project model, the prototype model, the new user model, the house model, the subscription model. All these models are interconnected. This project has the ability to navigate from one page to another. Here is the index page through which you can see everything going on. You can easily see the details and information about this project. Here is the About Us page. Here is the project page through which you can see different projects has been carried out. You can even see the estates page. In short, this project has the ability to show every project that has been created on this app. It has the ability to equally the show the prototypes available to each project, show the housing units that are available for each project, show the prototype that have been sold out and the ones that are still available. It equally has the ability to show the dashboard, the analytics of everything going on in the app. It equally has the ability to show the contact details of the company and every other thing. This project is not a real project. It is not the names you're seeing here is not anybody's name. If it violates anybody's name, please, it's not meant for that. It's just a kind of a configured names or whatever information that's put up to perform this app. So it has so many other functionalities like creation of admin user, creation of general users. You can log in with your email, you can log in with password. You can have it has so many other features that I cannot say in this video because there is limited time. Therefore, this project is a very powerful project. Uh, I thank CS50 for giving me the ample opportunity to have this knowledge and showcase my skills.